The Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro are almost here. With the launch expected on August 20th, people are getting excited, and it's easy to see why. Even though the phones might look similar to last year's models, some big changes are happening inside. Let's talk about the top 7 new features that could make the Pixel 10 series a big step forward. The first major change is the new chip called Tensor G5. This is the first time Google is fully designing its own chip. Earlier chips were made by Samsung using a 4nm process, but this time, TSMC is building it with a 3nm process. This means the phone should be faster, use less battery, and run more smoothly. Since Google is making the chip itself, it can make sure everything works better together, especially the camera, battery, and AI tools. This could make the phone feel much smarter and more powerful. Next, there's a new camera feature. The regular Pixel 10 is rumored to get a telephoto lens, which was only available in the Pro models before. This lens helps you zoom in on things far away without losing image quality. Reports say it will use the same 11-megapixel Samsung sensor from the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. This is a great upgrade because it gives people better zoom options, whether they're taking photos of nature or snapping better portraits. Another cool feature is called telemacro photography. This lets you take close-up shots with great detail by using both the telephoto and ultra-wide cameras. It's perfect for taking pictures of flowers, bugs, or small objects. What makes it special is that you don't have to get too close and you still get that nice blurry background. It's a big improvement over older phones that used only the ultra-wide lens for macro shots, which often weren't very sharp. Video recording is also getting better. The Pixel 10 is expected to have much better video stabilization. This means even if your hands are shaky or you're walking while recording, the video will still look smooth. You won't need extra equipment, like a gimbal to get steady shots. This will be super helpful for people who like to vlog, make travel videos, or shoot content for social media. It helps the Pixel compete more directly with phones like the iPhone, which are known for great video quality. Now let's talk about the screen. Google is working to make the Pixel 10 screen more comfortable for your eyes. It's improving something called the PWM dimming rate. This controls how the screen brightness changes. On many phones, this can cause flickering that some people don't even notice, but it can still lead to eye strain or headaches. A higher PWM rate means less flicker, which makes the screen easier to look at for long periods, especially at night. Wireless charging is also getting better. The Pixel 10 series is expected to support Jet to wireless charging. This is a newer and better way to charge your phone without wires. It's faster, more efficient, and generates less heat. However, since Pixel phones may not have built-in magnets like iPhones, you'll probably need to use a special magnetic case to get the full benefits. Still, it's a nice upgrade for people who prefer wireless charging. Finally, Google is adding more AI smarts with something called Magic Q. This is a new assistant based on Google's Gemini AI model. What's special about Magic Q is that it's more aware of what you're doing. It doesn't wait for you to ask it something. Instead, it watches how you use your phone and offers helpful suggestions automatically. For example, it might remind you about a meeting, suggest a reply to a message, or bring up an app you usually open at a certain time. And Google says all of this will happen in a secure way that keeps your private data safe. So overall, the Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro aren't just small upgrades. With a faster chip, better cameras, smoother video, eye-friendly screens, improved wireless charging, and smarter AI, they seem ready to take the Pixel series to the next level. The phones may look similar on the outside, but what's inside is what really matters. We'll find out for sure on August 20th. Until then, it looks like the Pixel 10 series is going to be smarter, faster, and more helpful than ever.